Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions. We'd like to get some of your feedback on your overall experience. Can you let us know how everything went with your sales manager?
Well, Sarah was wonderful to work with. She had pretty much all the information that we needed. She did a lot of research for the state of Illinois, knew exactly what we needed to do, when we needed to do it, how we needed to do it, and everything she told us, it went exactly as she said and as planned.
The amount of money we'd be getting, when we would be getting it, it was all accurate.
Mm-hmm. That's great. With that being said, your panels have been up for a while now. Can you give us some examples of the difference you've seen in your utility bill?
Okay, it would vary on the season part, anywhere from 100, maybe up to 220. That was a normal bill for us, and now it's a minimum of like $15 a month. So it's been a very good deal.
That's great. And why did you choose greenhouse systems as a solar option?
We kind of tossed around going solar, and I was online just kind of browsing, and I ran across the company and talked to my husband about it and we just decided to give them a call and see what they had to say.
Great. And are you happy you made that decision?
Very much. Very much.
Fabulous. Well, thank you so much for your time today. And we're definitely so glad you've seen that big difference in your utility bill.
Thank you, Liz.
Thank you.